Hey everyone, welcome back to another Linux tutorial. Today we are diving into a powerful yet often overlooked command, Netstat. If you are managing server or troubleshooting a network issue, this command is must know. By the end of this video, you will understand how to use Netstat effectively on a Rocky Linux to monitor network connection, diagnose the issue, and optimize your system performance. This tutorial applies to most Linux distribution, but I will be running this command on Rocky Linux. So let's get started. Let's see the manual page for the Netstat. Netstat, short for a network statistics, is a command line tool that provides a detailed information about network connections, routing tables, and interface statistics. It's particularly useful for system administrator when troubleshooting a network issue, monitoring the active connection, or checking the open ports. Although Netstat has been largely replaced by SS in a modern Linux distribution, it's still widely used and available on Rocky Linux. So let's start with some common use case. Checking network connection. Run netstat-tun. -T shows only the TCP connection, useful when debugging a web server, and -U shows only UDP connection, handy for DNS and streaming service. -N display the numerical IP address instead of resolving the host name for faster output. Let's take an example. Imagine you are running an Apache web server and you want to see which IPs are currently connected. Running netstat tun helps you monitor the incoming traffic and spot unusual connections. If you need to check which services are actively listening for the connections on your system, you can run netstat-tuln option. -L shows only listing the sockets, service waiting for the connection. Example, you are setting up a new database server and you want to confirm whether MySQL is listening on port 3306. Running this command will display active services and their listening ports, helping you to troubleshoot any misconfiguration. To find out which process owns a network connection, run netstat-tulpn. Here -p shows the process name and ID. It is useful for identifying the suspicious processes. You notice an unusual network connection on your server. Instead of guessing which application is responsible, this command will reveal the exact process, helping you to track down and stop the potential threats. To monitor the network traffic and the performance, use netstat-s. This provides statistics for different protocols such as UDP and TCP. Let's take an example. A developer reports that the application requests are timing out. By analyzing TCP retransmission using netstat-s, you can determine whether the network congestions or packet loss is the root cause. If you need to check the system routing table, you can run netstat-rn. -R displays the kernel routing table and the -N use the numerical IP addresses for faster output. Your server cannot reach an external database and you are suspect a routing issue. Checking the routing table will show if the correct gateway is being used. Understanding the netstat command, I will run with less. When you run netstat, you will typically see the columns like proto means a protocol, TCP or UDP, receive queue, send queue, data in queues helps to diagnose bottlenecks, local address, the local IP and the port, foreign address, the remote IP and the port. And the last is the state. It displays the connection status. Like here you can see it shows the established and if there is any other status, like it will show listen or time wait. If you see many connections stuck in time wait, it might indicate excessive short-lived connection, which can be optimized in the application or a firewall settings. And that's it for this tutorial. We have covered the most useful Netstat command and real-world scenarios. Whether you are managing a server, troubleshooting connectivity issue, or securing your system, Netstat command is a very useful tool that can help you manage and troubleshoot your system. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux tutorials. Check out our other videos for more system admin tips. See you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.